You can, whatever you record into the board itself, mic or PC or anything really, you can do that. So if you want to set these up for customization, for trolling and stuff like that. Okay, I did set some up to just kind of do it, which give you an idea of what you can do with the board itself and stuff. I'm just literally having some fun here while I play with the board and stuff. So these are some customizations I did, and see if you like them.
Boom. Headshot. Double kill.
Sure.
Frenzy kill.
You couldn't get away from the baby voice, could you? Anyways, that's what you get on the board itself.